Welcome back again. Yes, I'm back. Hello, friends. Welcome back. Good morning. Today is October the 12th, and I did enjoy my birthday. Thank you for all the birthday love, comments. I appreciate all of you. Welcome to my family if you're new. And how you doing? How you doing? Okay, so let's get into today's video. I'm going to give you some budget friendly, helpful content creator tips. Someone requested it, I'm going to give it. I'm going to give you two jewels and gems as of now. One, you do not need to put over $1,000 in your YouTube channel, and I'm going to explain why. If you're like me and you're not monetized, then it's a waste. Two, if you are new to this and you're learning to do one platform over the other, I would tell you stick with one platform at a time. Meaning, if you got 50K on TikTok, that 50K you got on TikTok, if you start a YouTube channel, you need to get them to transform and come to your YouTube channel and subscribe. I am currently not monetized on YouTube, but I'm trying to grow and get there. Number two, this is the problem that you will have, and I'm not the only YouTuber that will tell you. You might have videos that go viral, but you have no subscribers. You can have subscribers and have under 3K low views. I have low views, but I can engage and I get subscribers. So you're not going to really get both. But if you can meet in the middle and get the ones who coming back to constantly watch your channel, you're in there. And number two, you need thick skin for the trolls. Don't matter who you is, don't matter what you are, you're going to have it. I am not going to lie to you. You need to start doing YouTube as a hobby and not a job, because if you take it as a job and you work a 9 to 5, you're going to quit YouTube. There's going to be months where you're going to want mental breaks. There's going to be months that you're going to be like, I ain't with it today. So you need to put out enough content in 1 month. So if you decide that you're going to just do TikTok videos for the month of January, them TikTok videos, you turn them into shorts. So now you're getting it on TikTok and YouTube together without missing people on your channel, if that makes sense. Now, when I say let's do stuff on a budget, if you are under 500, I will help you. Whatever your budget is something for everybody. Yes, a lot of YouTubers use $600-$700 cameras. Baby, I am not them. I'm not them. They're not me. Let me show you what I mean. So this is another phone. Just give me a minute and I'm gonna show you what I mean. Because I'm not a girl that gatekeeps. No, I don't. So I am on Amazon. If you can, let me dim this down. So okay, I'm on Amazon in the vlogging camera. The first camera you see is the Canon 699, and it says sponsored. I would look into that, but it depends. Then I see another camera for $109, vlogging camera, and it says sponsored. With Prime, it's $99. That's more my speed, my game, and I can mess with it because I'm learning to use the camera. They have another one for $89.99. And then they have a Sony ZV-1F for $498, and I have never really seen them for that cheap. So then it's another one for $648. But when you invest in your channel, Amazon, you can get a good camera from for any budget. Temu, I have seen some cameras for good budget. You can also get affordable lighting from Amazon. You can get affordable anything. Now, as far as iPads, and you can get those refurbished, you can get them used, you can catch them at Best Buy for open box if you want to try your iPad. You can also buy things to accessorize your iPad. You can show us what you do and everything, and that right there is Amazon and Temu. I am on an Android. Android does not shoot the best videos, but they take the best pictures. iPhones shoot the best videos, but if you're going to get an iPhone, you don't need to get the iPhone 15 if you can't afford it. Get from the, I'm going to say, 8 up, 8 all the way up. If it's in your budget, you can find them refurbished, used, or whatever you need to do, but you can find them. And they're a better investment if right now you can't afford a camera. Now, a MacBook you can invest in, but remember, to record, you can only record from one device. So if you're not good with shooting on your camera and uploading it to your iPad, or shooting on your camera and uploading it to your phone, baby, get the MacBook. Because everything needs to be connected to your YouTube channel or whichever platform you are learning to work. Number 2, do not invest in this equipment and all of these things if you're just starting. If you don't have at least 300, and I'm going to give you 300, I want to suggest you do it. Because unless you're going to take it seriously, it's a waste. Once you get to 300 and better, you need to start paying attention to your videos that are getting the views, that are getting the people to subscribe, that are getting them to like. Another thing, learn to edit on whatever device you are using before. I have CapCut Pro. I can edit. I'm not all the way there, but I don't edit. If it makes sense, it makes sense. If it don't, it don't. Learn to make thumbnails. Make thumbnails that you want to stop and watch that video. Please understand, if you're not willing to watch your own video, nobody else is. Not even a little bit. And it's going to show in your analytics. Like, my analytics show me, y'all don't really like my intro. All of y'all don't really like it, but some of y'all do. Some of y'all try to skip through it, and it's okay because I'm not monetized. But I see my analytics. So I know. I don't know where I'm at. I lost count. I lost track. But remember, always be genuinely honest with your audience. You are them and they are you. It's going to be very awkward because you're feeling like you're talking to yourself and there is nobody else. But honey, when I say we family and I'm giving y'all tea, like I would want y'all to give me tea so we can grow and make this tea together. Baby, that's what I'm doing. That's how you have to do it. You have to imagine you sitting there talking and we right here. Gotta let them know. You want you get to where YouTube is pushing out your videos, pushing out your content, showing people who watch videos similar to yours, you'll start to grab people eye and attention. You will have to probably pay for promo for somebody if that's what you want to. That is not what I chose to do. I chose to get my audience on my own. I chose to put in the work, put in the time, and put in the effort. I chose to see who's going to stick with me and who's not. And it doesn't bother me because I'm not here for everybody, and everybody is not here for me. Like, I've got people that's just nail people. I got people that's just wig people. I got people that's just into my holes. I got people just into my bags. I got so many different people, but we all love and support each other because that's what I do. Engage with your family in the comments. Listen to what they're telling you. Be able to take the criticism as well as you could give it. Be able to understand that they are how you grow. They are, once you get monetized and get paid, they are the reasons why. So you need to make sure you take them into consideration at everything you do. Whatever niche you start off with, before you, I'm a reactor, now I'm in fashion, you're not going to be able to do that. If you start off as a reactor, when you know you're reinventing or expanding your channel, let your audience know from the door so they know what they're into. Do not lie to your audience because you will lose them quicker than you got them. Number 3, do not ever do anything that is going to make you feel cheap. Do not lowball yourself, meaning I got 912 subscribers. If a hair company reached out to me today to sponsor me, that's 912 of y'all. Out of that 912, I'm around it off to about maybe 350 of y'all might buy a wig from them. So that would be, okay, we're going to round that off to like maybe $2,000 some change they made off of my one video. I am going to charge my worth. I am not going to charge them, no, $50. I am not going to charge them $60. They are, I'm going to laugh at them. Like, baby, are you crazy? I used to get TikTok sponsorships and I stopped because once I got past 1,000, baby, what? Baby, what? I passed that. I'm at 7K and some change on just TikTok. You won't pay me my worth. I can create, I can give you whatever kind of video you need, but you will pay me my worth. See, these lights, I pay a bill for. That's a fee. This electricity, that's a bill. That's a fee. Installing it is a fee. Unboxing it is a fee because that's time. Time is labor. You need to look at these sponsorships and stuff as labor. That is a job. You are now getting paid to do your job. So if you're working 2 weeks and you making 1,600 after taxes, you should see like we're gonna say 14 and change. Baby, please don't play with me. Do not let these people tell you, oh, we don't have a budget because they got a budget. I had a company reach out to me and I had 300 subscribers. And I told them what I required for payment. They said, oh, we just wanted a free video. Not from me, you didn't. See, when I see a company and I notice they paying all these big people and they come in my comments or my DMs or my email and they think I'm going to give them a video for free, baby, no. Mm-mm. I don't do that. I'm not her. I don't give free labor. Hell, I didn't even get free labor when I had my kids, baby. Mm-mm. 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 So you need to think of it as, even if you decide to just do unboxing videos, they need to pay you for that. So make sure you invest in what you need to grow for you and make it work for you. And always remember, stick within your budget. Don't go buying $3,000 equipment if you're not monetized and have, like, don't do it, because baby, we in inflation and we gonna save a coin together. Stay blessed and not stressed. I will see you in the next one. And if you see me in another video later on today, thumbs up the video, like it, share it out. Tell your mama, sister, brother, and a cousin. And stay blessed and not stay blessed, less stress, and stay fly. Why not? Later, dolls and gents.